Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change language on Revolut app. It's very easy thing to do. For this, what you have to do, first open Revolut app and then log into your account. From this home page, you have to tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. Now, you will see a bunch of options here. Now scroll down a little bit and you will see an option appearance. Just tap on it. Now here you will see three options: theme, interface and language. Tap on language. Then tap on go to settings. Now here you will see app languages. You can use your default app languages, or you can choose your language what you want to set, and that's it. That's how you can set language on your Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.